Okay, so let us move to the exponents and exponential notation. So we have here a to the power of b, or a to the exponent of b, where a is what we call the base, and then base means it is the repeated factor. Okay, an exponent, it tells about how many times the base is used as a factor. So let us try this example. So 2 to the power of 2, or 2 to the exponent of 4. By the way, exponent can also be called as power. Okay, so 2 to the power of 4, or 2 to the exponent of 4, that would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 here is repeated 4 times. Okay, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 would be 16. So 2 to the power of 4, that would be 16. Then 9 to the power of 3, that would be 9 times 9 times 9. So 9 times 9, 81. 81 times 9, that would be 9. 8 times is 72, that would be 729. Next, 3 to the power of 4, that would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, that would be 21. 3 times 2, 6, plus 2, that would be 81. 81. Okay, any number raised to the exponent of 1 is equal to the number itself. So for example, 3 to the power of 1, that would be 3. Then 5 to the power of 1, that would be 5. Then 12 to the power of 1, that would be 12. So any number raised to the exponent 0 is equal to 1. So equal to 1. So 6 to the power of 0 is 1. 18 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, this time we are going to evaluate each expression. So if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5, and w would equal to 6. So by this expression, y plus x to the power of 2. So substitute. So y is 5. Then x is equal to 2. So to the power of 2. So evaluate. So from the order of operation, you're going first to perform the exponent. 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So 5 plus 4, that would be 9. Next, w to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 2. So w is equal to 6 to the power of 3 minus 6 y to the power of 2, that would be 5 to the power of 2. So 6 times 6, that would be 36. 36 times 6, that would be 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3, 18. 18, that would be 216. So 216. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Okay, 216 minus 25, that would be 1. 21 minus 2, that would be 19. So the answer will be 190. Negative 2 times w to the power of 2 divided by 2 times x to the power of power of 3. So substitute negative 2, but w is equal to 6 to the power of 2. Next, 2x is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Next, 6 to the power of 2, that would be 36. Okay, next, 2 to the power of 3, that would be 2 times 2 times 2, that would be 8. So multiply 2 times 36, that would be 64. Then 2 times 8, that would be 16. So 64 divided by 16, that would be 4. Okay, so this expression is equal to 4. So since this is negative, so negative 4.